Ben was one of our exchange students from Germany, and he really kind of summarized everything we look for in an exchange student. He brought a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm.
I took organic chemistry with Dr. Trout, and of course also he and Mr. Ringlein were the main reasons why I was able to connect with Professor Rajaseelan.
My expertise is in organometallic chemistry. It is the fastest growing area of chemistry.
He kindly agreed to work with Ben and created a project that really goes far beyond typical college level work, and it's an amazing learning experience for Ben, but also for the rest of us here.
So what we did is we developed 4 new compounds that can be used instead of hydrogen gas, which is really explosive, for a reaction that is needed in the creation of up to 70% of life-saving drugs.
He was very enthusiastic of what he was doing. He was excited when new results came, positive results came.
ISEF is short for the International Science and Engineering Fair. I qualified over the North Museum Science Fair, where I got senior division champion.
It will be a great experience for him to get more motivation to see other types of research, to be exposed.
I thought that Country Day would be the best option for me to go to, and it turned out really well. Really is what made all this possible.